I'm Mr. Rothwell. Welcome to Real Chemistry with Rothwell. Today, we're going to discuss polyatomic ions and a trick for quickly learning a handful or more of them. One easy trick to determine what the formula is for a polyatomic ion is to use a trick called Nick the Camel. Now, Nick the Camel is predicated on a sentence that states, Nick the Camel ate clams for supper in Phoenix. The way that the trick works is that you take every word that is not a conjunction and use its first letter. In the case of the word Nick, this is an N. Follow up that N with an O for oxygen. The number of oxygens coincides with the number of consonants in the word Nick. Nick has N, C, and K, 3 consonants, and so we have 3 oxygens to match. Nick also has 1 vowel. That vowel determines the charge of the polyatomic ion. In this case, 1 minus indicates the 1 vowel. So the formula for nitrate is NO3 1 minus. As another example, if we take the word camel, camel starts with a C. If we put a capital C and follow it up with an O, we would give the O the subscript 3 to show the 3 consonants in the word camel. The charge would be 2 minus because of the 2 vowels. In this case, you get the formula CO3 2 minus. This is the formula for carbonate. If you ever get confused what the polyatomic is, it's helpful to remember that the word ate, A-T-E, is in the sentence, so we're determining the eights. This trick works for all the major words in the sentence, but there is one catch. The word clams has the sequence CL. CL must be treated as one single letter that is a consonant. So, if we were to do this, we would put CL as our first quote-unquote letter, followed by 3 O's to represent the 3 consonants, CL, M, and S, and a 1 minus charge for the 1 vowel, A. We would get the formula ClO3 1 minus. This is, you guessed it, chlorate. Thank you for listening to Real Chemistry with Rothwell. We'll see you again next time.